Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review Xfinity Wi-Fi Pods. Xfinity Wi-Fi Pods are small devices that help spread your Wi-Fi signal to areas of your home where the internet is usually weak. They are designed to work with Xfinity's X-Fi gateway and are easy to set up through the Xfinity app. You just plug them into a wall outlet, connect them in the app, and they start boosting your signal right away. They create a mesh network, which means your device automatically switches between pods for the best signal. These pods are great for larger homes or places with thick walls where Wi-Fi normally drops. Speeds may not be as fast as the main router, but they make the connection more stable in hard-to-reach spots. Streaming, video calls, and gaming are smoother with fewer disconnects. The app lets you monitor each pod and see which devices are connected. Setup takes only a few minutes and you don't need to be tech-savvy to do it. The design is small and blends into most home spaces. However, some users feel they're a bit expensive and wish they offered faster speeds. They work best when you have the latest Xfinity router. Overall, Xfinity Wi-Fi Pods are a simple way to get better Wi-Fi coverage throughout your home. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.